welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. I just want to introduce myself once again. My name is Julia. I'm the Technology Specialist here at Lexus El Cajon. Today I'm going to be going over the three main questions that I get on a daily basis. So the first question I always get is how to disengage lane keep assist. It's going to be located on your steering wheel on the right side. So it's located on the right side of your steering wheel. If you click it, it disengages. Re-clicking it turns it back on. Filler. The next thing I get lots of questions about is how to change your clock. For this, we're going to go into setup and then up to clock, the first one, and we're going to turn daylight savings time off. This rewinds the clock an hour. Since daylight savings time just started, we'll go ahead and turn it back on and it moves the clock forward an hour. The third question I get asked most often is how to reset your trip odometer. All you're doing is holding down this ODO trip button and it resets the trip odometer. And those are the three top questions I get asked daily. Thank you for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday.